The digital age has ushered in a new era of storytelling. On platforms like YouTube, a chilling trend has emerged: faceless videos. These videos, devoid of any identifiable creator, often feature disembodied voices narrating unsettling tales. Their screens might be awash in static or display looping animations, further adding to the unsettling ambience. These videos are not for the faint of heart. There's a rawness, a chilling authenticity to these videos that is hard to ignore. They tap into something primal, a fear of the unknown that is deeply ingrained in the human psyche. The absence of a face, a human presence to ground the experience, amplifies the fear. It's like whispering in the dark, not knowing who or what might be listening on the other side. This burgeoning genre of faceless content is not confined to mere jump scares and gore, though those elements might sometimes be present. What sets them apart is their ability to get under your skin, to burrow into your subconscious and linger long after the video ends. They are often characterized by their minimalist aesthetic and focus on sound design, creating an atmosphere of dread and anticipation. Why are we drawn to these unsettling narratives? Perhaps it's the same morbid curiosity that makes us slow down at a car crash. We can't help but look, even as we know we shouldn't. There's an undeniable thrill in being frightened, in testing the boundaries of our comfort zones. These videos offer a safe space to explore those darker impulses. Or maybe it's the mystery that captivates us. The faceless creators leave clues, breadcrumbs scattered throughout their videos. Viewers are invited to become detectives, piecing together the narratives, trying to solve the puzzles they present. The comments sections of these videos are often abuzz with theories and interpretations, adding another layer to the experience. There's a sense of community, a shared experience that emerges from watching these videos. In an increasingly isolated world, these digital campfires offer a sense of belonging. We gather around them, sharing our fears and anxieties, finding solace in knowing that we are not alone in the dark. The themes explored in these faceless videos often tap into deep-seated fears and anxieties. They reflect our societal anxieties about technology, isolation, and the erosion of truth. They hold a mirror up to our darkest selves, forcing us to confront the things we'd rather keep hidden. One recurring theme is that of isolation. Many of these videos feature protagonists who are cut off from the world, trapped in their own minds. This resonates deeply in an age of social media where we are constantly connected yet often feel profoundly alone. The faceless creators understand this disconnect and they exploit it masterfully. Another common motif is the supernatural. Tales of ghosts, demons, and otherworldly beings abound in this genre. These stories tap into our primal fear of the unknown, the things that go bump in the night. They remind us that we are not the masters of the universe, that there are forces beyond our comprehension. The lack of a physical presence in these videos is perhaps their most unnerving aspect. With no familiar face to ground us, we are left solely with the voice and the visuals. This creates an incredibly immersive experience, as if we are stepping directly into the narrator's mind. Sound design plays a crucial role in creating the eerie atmosphere of these videos. Distorted voices, unsettling whispers, and ambient sounds are used to great effect, building tension and creating a sense of unease. Often the simplest sounds can be the most effective. The creak of a door, the drip of a faucet, or the distant sound of footsteps can send shivers down your spine. The visuals, often minimalist and unsettling, further enhance the experience. Static, glitches, and distorted images are common motifs, creating a sense of unease and disorientation. The use of negative space is also prevalent, leaving the viewer